Introducing Significant Digits, Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Part 1. A significant digit are each of the digits of a number that are used to express it to the required degree of accuracy, starting from the first non-zero digit. Remember, significant means important, and then precise means accurate and consistent. There are rules for identifying significant digits. You'll find them in your reteach packet. Rule 1. All non-zero digits are significant, no matter what. Zeros in between non-zero digits are significant digits. Then trailing zeros in a decimal are significant. So that means numbers following a decimal, the zeros following. Rule 4, zeros on the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. And rule 5, trailing zeros in an integer may or may not be significant due to rounding. So if we're rounding, they're not significant. If we are not rounding, they might be. You're going to get a little more clarification with the examples that we're going to have. So in letter A here, we have 0.050. 5 and 0 are significant digits. This 5, of course, it's a non-zero, and the 0 before it is significant because it holds its place. This trailing one, it's not. It's not important. If it weren't there, that number would still have the same value. Now, the 1 in the ones place, again, it's not anything that's really important. It's a placeholder. So there's 2 significant digits. In letter B, 3.1402, all of the digits are significant digits. 3, 1, 4, and 2 are all non-zero numbers, so of course they are significant. And this 0 is significant because it's in between 2 non-zero numbers. So all 5 digits are. In letter C, we have 0.001. 1 is a significant digit, so there's only 1 significant digit in this place. That 0 is, the zeros in front are holding a place, but we can say that it's 1,000th. And D, 10.0, both of the zeros and of course the 1 are significant because they're trailing. So we can do some practice identifying. Number 1, in 23.04, the 2, the 3, the 0, and the 4 are all significant. 2, 3, and 4 are non-zero, and this 0 is significant because it's between 2 significant numbers. So we have 4. In number 2, the only significant digits here are the 2 and the 1. These ones leading in front, they are not considered significant, so we only have 2. In number 3, 3,100, we have 2 significant digits here. These trailing zeros would not be considered significant. The 2 significant digits are 3 and 1. 45.0, our significant digits are 4 and 5. And we have 2 digits. In 5, 6.023, of course, all of our non-zero numbers. And in this case, the 0 as well because it's in between. So we have 4. And then in 9,010, of course, our 9 would be 1. This 0 is 1 because it's in between 2, and this 1 is. So we only have 3 significant digits. In these next examples here, we're going to talk about significant digits after a number's been rounded. In A, it talks about a population of a city. It was rounded to 6,300 because it was rounded to the nearest 100. So we know 6 and 3 are significant, and we have 2 significant digits. Because it was rounded, those 2 zeros, these zeros here, do not matter. In B, the total length of the United States coastline, again, was rounded to the nearest 100. So here we have listed all of the non-zero digits, and those zeros afterwards are not considered significant because it was rounded to the hundreds place. So that's why there's only 3. And then letter C, same thing, but this time it's only rounded to the tens place. So 1, 4, 5, and 1 are all significant digits. and there are 4 of them. So we'll practice with these as well. The population of the United States was 210,400, rounded to the nearest hundred. So our significant digits are 2, 1, 0, and 4. Again, remember that 0 is significant because it lies between 2 non-zero numbers. Number 15, we talk about the highest mountain here. It's rounded to the nearest tens place, so we want to include all non-zero numbers. And there are 4 of them. That last 0 is not important. And I'm sure you can have figured out by now that in number 16, because it's rounded to the hundreds place, our 8 and 3 are significant. So we have 2 significant digits.